What are you doing, Sadie? Look at you go.
Come here, Skeeter. Want water?
Oh, we gotta pick up some poo-poo.
Muffy. You like the shade, Mom?
What are you doing? Give me that. Go get it. What? What? Here, I think you need to go for a swim. He's like, no, I don't like the pool. What's you, Pan Pan, huh? I know you don't, but you're mine, so I get to put you in anyway. There you go. Jeez, Mom. Thanks.
No humping.
Oh, I know. He's a humper. Tug of war in the pool, huh? What are you doing, Bert? You're like so bright. You're like blindingly white. Who's this one?
That's Spike.
Oh, okay, one of the Scanlan dogs.
Spike, Daisy,
And Molly.
I know, guys. It's a big ball. You don't know what to do with it, huh?
Matt, no, Matt. You don't do that. Gotta keep it Disney style here. Rated
Come here,
G. None of that. Matt,